Hello students, today will we discuss about personal essay and formal essay. Okay, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पर्सनल एंड फॉर्मल essay. सबसे पहले हम पर्सनल essay के बारे में बात करेंगे कि पर्सनल essay क्या है. The personal essay is different than a formal essay. In the personal essay, the writer writes about experience without having to prove the point. क्या है पर्सनल essay जो है फॉर्मल essay से डिफरेंट है. पर्सनल एसे में राइटर एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में लिखता है, उससे मतलब बिना प्रूफ पॉइंट को प्रूव किए बिना. द ऑथर नीड्स ओनली टू इंट्रोड्यूस द सब्जेक्ट एंड थीम. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन फीलिंग, इमोशन, पर्सनल ओपिनियंस एंड पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. ये सब किस पर डिपेंड होता है? बेस्ड होता है फीलिंग, इमोशंस, पर्सनल ओपिनियंस एंड पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस पर. इट इज़ ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल ऑन द अदर हैंड. A personal essay is either a personal narrative in which the author writes about a personal incident or experience that provides significance, personal meaning, or lesson learned, or it is a personal opinion about some topic or issues that is important to the writer. Next, the personal essay as a personal narrative. It is based on personal experience in which you have gained significant meaning, insight, or learning a lesson. It can also be based on a milestone or life-altering event. Next, it is a personal narrative. The writer tells the story by including dialogues, imagery, characterization, conflict, plot, and setting. It is written in the first person, means I, point of view. Next, it is an autobiographical story in which the writer describes an incident that resulted in some personal growth or development. A personal essay is a glimpse of the writer's life. The writer describes the personal experience using the scene building technique, weaves a theme throughout the narrative, and makes an important point. There must be a lesson or meaning. The writer cannot just write an interesting story. It does not have to be objective, however, the writer must express her feelings, thoughts, and emotions. The writer uses self disclosure and is honest with her readers. The writer writes about a real life experience. The incident of experience must have occurred. The writer must use fact and truths. The writer must dramatize the story by using the scene building technique. A scene includes setting, location, intimate details, concrete and specific descriptions, actions, and often dialogues. Next is the personal essay as a personal opinion. A personal essay can also be an opinion piece, an opinion that is based on a particular political, social concern, or topic of interest. In this type of personal essay, the writer can state the problem, provide solution, and then write a conclusion, which must state an important point. Whatever the writer discusses, the topic is of interest to the writer. The writer frequently seeks to explain the truth or reality, views it. Sometimes the writer explores a topic from his own perspective. The writer must not lecture, sermonize, or moralize. In other words, the writer must present opinion in such a way that allows the readers to decide for themselves. In writing life stories, author Will Robrock provides an excellent definition of the personal essay, one that is based on a personal opinion, He states that the personal essay that is based on a personal opinion has these attributes. A personal essay is a conversation with your readers. The personal essay is an informed mixture of storytelling, facts, wisdom, and personality. The personal essay examines a subject outside of yourself, but the self is treated as evidence for the argument. The passage of narrative often appears but generally get used as evidence in the inductive argument. The personal essay strives to say what is evident and to come to conclusion that the reader may agree or disagree. A personal essay can wander through its subject, circle around it, get the long view and the short, always providing experience, knowledge, book learning, and personal history. It should also be noted that a personal essay does not need to be objective. It can be purely subjective. You don't have to prove a point or show both sides of the argument. But you must express your own personal feelings, thoughts, and opinions on a topic or issue in a logical manner. Next are subjects for the personal essay. Your subject can be about anything that you are passionate about. You can write about a turning point in your life or milestone or adversity, such as death, illness, divorce. The subject you choose must have provided you with significant personal meaning or a lesson that you have learned. But keep in mind you are not just reflecting or remembering, you are going to make a point, some universal truth that your readers can appreciate. Otherwise your story is just a story. So write about the following: personal experience, incident, topic, issues, a memory. Your subject can also be a personal opinion on an issue or concern that is important to you, such as the garbage strike, crime, or unemployment. Next है informal essay. A serious, dignified, logically organized essay written to inform is called formal essay. Though many eminent critics have tried to define the word essay, yet nobody has succeeded in giving a really satisfactory definition of this brief but difficult literary form so far. The point of the essay is not the subject, for any subject will suffice, but the charm of the writer's personality. Alexander Smith, in his paper on the writing of essay, says the essay as a literary form resembles the lyric in so far as it is molded by some central mood. Serious or satirical, give the mood, and the essay from the first sentence to the last grows around it as the cocoon around the silkworm. यानी जब किसी गंभीर विषय पर कोई वैभवशाली तार्किक संगठित निबंध लिखा जाता है तो उसको फॉर्मल ऐसे कहा जाता है। इसकी बहुत सी परिभाषाएं दी गई हैं, परंतु कोई भी परिभाषा पूर्ण एवं सफल नहीं है। इसमें लेखक किसी भी विषय पर ऑब्जेक्टिव रूप में लिखता है तथा अपने दृष्टिकोण को व्यक्त करता है। In the formal essay, the writer treats his subject objectively. He describes in his essays his point of view and his attitude of mind regarding a particular topic. Bacon, the father of the English essay, adopted the formal form of the essay. In this essay, we see Bacon as the practical philosopher and wise man of the world and not his private and personal life. He speaks from experience and his interest is not himself but the result of his observation. These results take the form of clear cut theories and convictions, not the interesting uncertainties, and are organized into logically compact treatises which move irresistibly from beginning to conclusion. The charm of Bacon's essay lies in the wise and witty observation of the writer and lucid, simple and at times poetic style in which they are written. He deviates from the tradition of Montague, the true tradition of the essay which most of his successors followed. In the formal essay, the writer states that thesis and then attempts to prove or support his point with facts to provide proof. To do this, the author must do research. Okay? A serious, dignified, logically organized essay written to inform is called formal essay. The may eminent critics have tried to define the word essay. Okay? Thank you for watching.